Hi there, and welcome to ThinkUp. I'm excited you're here because this step, customer discovery, is where your startup journey really starts to take shape. In the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through what this step is all about, why it matters, and how to get the most out of it. What is customer discovery in ThinkUp? When we say customer discovery, we're not talking about going out and interviewing users just yet. That comes in the next step. This step is about mapping your ecosystem and identifying the key people involved in your startup's world. That includes your end users, but also decision makers, and sometimes even influencers who affect the buying or adoption process. The idea is to structure your assumptions around each of them. So you're not just building your product for someone, but for specific types of people with specific goals and challenges. Now, why is that so critical? Skipping this part is one of the biggest mistakes early stage founders make. Without clearly defining who you're building for, you can end up solving the wrong problem or solving it for someone who doesn't matter in the buying decision. These steps help you bring focus to your startup. You'll come out of it with a clear understanding of your key personas and the assumptions you're making about what they care about. Now, what you'll be doing here? You'll start by identifying the types of people involved and then build a lightweight personas. We guide you through defining their goals, the functional needs and pains, and their emotional motivators too. Don't worry, you don't have to get everything perfect. It's based on your current assumptions. Now, let's take a quick look at how it actually works on the platform. I'll walk you through how to map a persona and how ThinkUp keeps things simple and structured.